Okay, this is my Vessel's screwdriver that I bought. And they're really, really, really good quality. I love this set because it's literally 6 screwdrivers in one. And it's a palm screwdriver. I love palm screwdrivers, obviously, because I bought this one. This is, I don't know how to pronounce the name. But it's only 280 RPM. This thing goes really slow, and that's what I like about it. So it doesn't strip or tear anything up, and it's not not overpowerful. And I just use it for removing screws. I don't use it for putting anything in. And this is my Vessel's Torx bit set. See, it's Vessel's. Vessel. And it's an awesome set. Works really good. And this is these are really nice. These type of needle nose pliers. I like them because they're round. They still get a good grip, but they don't damage the metal, and they don't really hurt anything. And that's why I like them. They're usually for like if you don't need a real strong grip. If I need a strong grip, I got these. I got these. I guess you would call these a jeweler's set, I guess. They're smaller than regular pliers, and they work really good for carburetors. Now, to hold all my stuff in place, I bought this cheap little thing right here from China, and it holds all the sockets that I use a lot, all the wrenches that I use the most, and then also I hold my Vessel's bits, those in there, so I don't lose them. I have a couple of these that I keep around to keep extra parts, just to keep them in place, so we don't lose them. Alright, that's about all I need to say.